Hello, my name is Carolina. I'm 21 and I'm from Italy, and I'm currently interning at Carter Solicitors. So at the office, I'll be working on brewing cases, whereas sometimes I shadow my colleagues to either fort or police stations, and in those cases, I'll be taking up notes and speak it to the clients. The reason why I chose London was because I want to work here in the future, and this gave me a great opportunity, and meeting people in the field while also learning more about the legal system here. My favorite memory is the general experience of being able to live in London. I've always wanted to do it, and the fact that I got to meet so many people from all over the world just enhanced my experience. Because I was really involved in my law firm, I was able to confirm that I wanted to work in criminal law, and also had a more clear idea of the courses that I'm going to choose for my master's next year. Teacher's amazing! No, yeah, the Intern Group really helped me out and followed me through my whole experience.